Hello everyone, so today is the next day and I am going to Sharton, and this is the Yatta, I think it's the Yatta department store, and that's where it's kind of like the Debenhams, the John Lewis, but I'm trying to look for Lineage, which I'm kind of struggling to find, and that's where I am meeting up with the previous sales associate that I worked with. And I am going to pick up some really nice skincare, but also try to pick up a few things for the future giveaway. And yeah, let's see what I can pick up for you guys, and then I will enter all of the details of how to enter below, and let's just see how this goes. This one's a retinol, and this one's pretty interesting. I haven't seen this before. It's quite nice. And then I'm going back to my usual Perfect Renew serum because this one is like a godsend. I love this stuff so much. And then I'm trying this one, getting a few of these because I have a few dark spots, and then that one should tone it down. This is so cute. So this is a Harbour City Christmas lights. So magical. My friend Steph. Hi. Bought a lot of items from Lineage, and I'm just gonna get into it. So you can see that I'm really stocked up on all the skincare that I usually use. So Laneige is something that I always go back to, and in terms of K-beauty, they are like the OGs. They have been there since the very beginning, and that's where you have all of the hydration, water bank line, water sleeping mask is the most famous one. That is where hydration comes into place to really make sure that the skin's health is at its optimum level. And Laneige is always optimizing their skincare, so they always upgrade all of their formulations. So I actually didn't get the most famous water bank line that a lot of people are talking about. I did get a few things and I have tried it before, but the one that I really love is the line called Perfect Renew, and it is something that I've used last time and I just picked up a whole bunch of it. So starting off with toner, this one is the Perfect Renew Youth Skin Refiner, and it's in 120 ml. I got two of them because I go through these really quickly, and it just makes it all very refreshed, very bright after you cleanse your skin. So if I open this up, you will be able to see that it comes in this glass packaging, and it's kind of more of that jelly texture. And it comes in this like nice pump. So I think with their usual water pump line, it's this pouring mechanism, but this is really luxurious and it's all glass and it's a nice pump to use. And then I got a serum. This one is the Youth Regenerator, and inside we have the nice serum. This was in 40 milliliters, and it's a really nice dropper mechanism. I think this one's a little bit oilier than the usual water bank serum. I think it's more of a closer comparison to the old version. I think the new version, it feels a little bit more silicone-y, but this one is more of that oil gel feel, and it also has a lot of antioxidants to really like help with anti-aging, to fight free radicals. Then I have this one, which is this Youth Retinol. It says eye cream for the face, but I was recommended that this could be used anywhere on the face, so any fine lines that could form, like especially around the forehead, the sides of the eyes, smile lines. So this one, retinol, is something that is very well known. It's known for its anti-aging benefits. It has this nice tube packaging, and it also tells you how to unlock it and use it for the first time, because I think you need to activate it. And retinol is something that I've used before. It's really good at replenishing the skin, and it just makes your skin a lot more renewed, a lot more brighter. It does turn over your skin really fast, so when it comes to protecting your skin afterwards, you do need to use sunscreen. But if you want to reverse any signs of aging or any wrinkles or any sunspots, retinol is like a godsend. So I'm hoping that this is just as gentle. I have used some retinols in the past that they did sting quite a lot. So with retinol you need to build it up, and I think this one I'm going to give it a try and I'll let you know. Then after that you can use the emulsion. Emulsion's a bit of a funny step because not many brands have emulsion steps, and it's basically kind of like a pre-moisturizer. I would say it's as close to a serum, where serums go deeper into the skin and it fixes everything below. Emulsions is like the serum for the top layer of your skin. So this is supposed to really brighten the visibility of your skin. It's supposed to balance the oil to water ratios there, so it's always optimizing just the surface level. So this is a good one to have, but I only bought one of them because I don't really go through them as quickly. It lasts such a long time. I think last time I had one, it lasted me throughout the whole year. Then I got face cream. I got 2 of them from the Perfect Renew line, and it just comes in a nice packaging again. And inside we have purple with this champagne gold looking cap. It's 50 milliliters, and this one is using this Glyco Miracle technology, but basically it has a lot of squalane in there, a lot of glycerin in there, just to really hold everything in. I would say that this is a lot more creamier than the usual Laneige water bank cream. I think the Laneige water bank cream is good if you have more combination skin, especially throughout the winter if you have dry skin, and if you have extra dry skin, I think this would do it more justice. And then with that, because I got pretty much everything in the set, I got like a little trial set which is really good for traveling, and inside it has a miniature cream, just basically a miniature version of the face cream that I just showed earlier. And then it also has the 2 toner and emulsion step, and then it also has the serum and the eye cream. And then because I did do the analysis on the skin, my skin was good in terms of the aging aspects. Like, they looked at the small levels of triangles on my skin to see the patterning, and they said that is very, very useful. But where I had the problem was I started developing a few sunspots, and that is from like sun damage or just probably acne scarring in general. So I was recommended this one. This is the Radiant C. It has vitamin C, it has silver contest, it has niacinamide, and that is supposed to be the concoction that just brightens and lightens scars. So this one is kind of like a toner, but it's like a cream toner. They call it an effector, but I'd say it's like an essence. It's all glass, and it's even got the markings of the number of days on there. And this one is 150 milliliters, so I think this one would just be a really good, powerful way to lighten up my dark spots. And let's just see how this goes, because I've never tried this. And then this also comes with cotton pads. So this cotton pad is like more special. I think it's a lot more thinner, but also it can be separated into different layers, and you can actually soak it up and then apply it on different areas of your face just to have that extra bit more treatment. So that's a nice little extra thing in there. And then to really boost up the effects of removing sunspots, I did get this Radiant C spot serum, and I got 3 of them because they're only very, very small. They're 10 grams each, and basically this one is vitamin C 15%, and if you know, vitamin C is quite unstable. It just goes off really quickly, which is why you have so many individual little bottles. And because everything's sealed and everything's separate, it just makes sure that no oxidation happens. Then the last thing from this line I got is the sun cream. And this is SPF 50 plus PA 4+. I'm kind of easygoing with sunscreens as long as they don't pill on my skin. They don't really like feel overly greasy. So sun cream I'm pretty easy, and especially I've been using the one from Dalba, the one from Biore. Those 2 are my main favorites. There was a CosRX one, but I think that one pilled on my skin. It just depends on what skincare you use and what makeup you use that it would end up pilling. So as long as that doesn't happen, I'm pretty easy with sunscreen, and I'll let you know if this one works on my current regime. That wasn't the last thing. I have one more thing. This one is the face cream, and this one I can use every day. This one was recommended that I use during the daytime, but I think I might just stick with my Perfect Renew one for now because it is winter time. I might save this one for the summertime because it is more gel-like and it's very refreshing. And then I got this serum. I think this one came as a free gift because I had a lot of points collecting up. And this one is the Water Bank Hyaluronic Serum. This one is the new version. I mean, not really new anymore, but this is the later version of what I used to have because I was using the older moisture version of the Laneige Water Bank Cream. That one I really like. This one is more of that velvety texture, and with blue hyaluronic acid it says that it's micro low molecular weight hyaluronic acid created after 2 phases of fermentation and 10-step processing. So I think they fermented it with like blue sea algae, and that's what makes it blue hyaluronic acid serum. And when I used this was pretty good, but this packaging is really cute. It's got this more twisty mechanism, and then it has this indicator at the back. If this bit turns red, then that's when you need to get a new bottle of serum. So it tells you when you need to replenish it. Then I got a few freebies, and this is more of that Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic line. This one is for combination to oily skin. I think they all are. And each one comes with a little cream, a little serum, and a little eye cream. I will also be giving away one of these sets to one of you, along with some other things. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Then the last few items I got was makeup items, and this is the Laneige Neo Cushion. You know that I've always been using the Neo Cushion because it's so easy. I just apply it onto my skin and I don't even need to set it with powder. That's how easy it is. So I got the green one because this one is more of a matte version, and the color that I got is 23M. I do have 23C, and that one's just more of that pinkier tone, but I definitely prefer the N version because it's just much more neutral. It's not pinky at all. I'm right now wearing the C color, so I think in my past makeup videos I used the N color. And then the good thing about this is that it comes with a refill. And the final item I got is the Laneige Skin Veil. This one is like a more base product. It's got SPF on it, but I wouldn't rely too much on it because that's what SPF is for. This one is in pure violet. You can also get a green version which corrects for redness, but this one is more for brightening dull, tired skin, and that's something that I like to have because sometimes when you wake up and you just look knackered. It also has the same new theme of cute, bubbly looking packaging, and you can see that when I show you the swatches, it's a very pale color, but I was shown that when you mix it with the serums and you make it a lot more lightweight, then that's when it just gives you that nice even glow, which is really pretty. So that is everything that I got. I then got some more freebies, and it comes in this really cute pouch. So if you open it up, a little mirror inside. I think this was like a welcome back gift because I did purchase a lot last time, and it's been a while since I've last been back in Hong Kong. And it's this really cute red mirror, so it's nice to keep it in your bag. Then I have some cleansers. I think this is like an old formulation. This one is the Moist Cream Cleanser, and it's in 13 mils, and I got 3 of them. Then I have a lot of these sachet samples. So again, I have the skin base. Then I got more of that Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and I have the creams for dry skin. And then they also gave me the Seeker Sleeping Mask. This is something that I've used and something that I have full size at home, and it's a really good one if you have a lot of redness and a lot of acne. Instantly calms it down for the next day. And then I have some deluxe size samples, and this is the skin refiner from the Perfect Renew line, so 2 of these. And then I have a whole bunch of these Water Bank serums, loads of them. They're all really cute. I think these are all the old formulation. And then I got this little baggie. This is like a nice little tote bag. There was a blue version and a pink version. I chose pink because I like pink, and I like how it's got the BB cushion that I really love to use. It says Feel the Glow. And I got 2 of these. So I got another one here. So I'm going to give away this bag as some of the blue hyaluronic acid skin cream, serum and eye cream in these little mini sets. So the first thing that you have to do is subscribe to my channel, and then like this video and comment anything down below, and also follow me on my Instagram, where I will be updating you on so many just general life things that I'm doing, and it's more casual, and I'll showcase some of my newer styling videos. And the last thing that you have to do is fill out a Google form, and that's where you just share your details of your YouTube name and your Instagram name and also your email, and then that should help you to sign up everything for the giveaway. And this is just like a big thank you for overall just staying tuned with everything in this channel. And I'm also sharing some of the good skincare that I use, because these are literally all of my staples. I know I try so many different things, but I always go back to Lineage because they just work. So I'm gonna leave it for this Vlogmas. I will probably see you in the next video.